Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap St. John's, local and long-distance movers near me. For people that need to move in the St. John's, Newfoundland, and Labrador area, 3 Movers are well regarded and a solid option. We provide long-distance and local moving services that are affordable, and we work with commercial and residential customers. Let our experienced crews take care of your moving for you. 3 Movers offers transparent pricing. You should also get at least 3 estimates before you make a decision, and make sure you get the terms in writing. If a company is refusing to give you the terms in writing, that is a bad look. You also shouldn't go for the lowest bidder. Make sure to ask for what is included in the price estimate. Some companies charge extra for driving time or fuel. When you get an estimate for 3 Movers, you can rest easy knowing that every charge will be included. Since distance is less of a factor in local moves, your main concern will be labor, specifically the cost of loading and unloading. 3 Movers can provide an estimate based on how many workers would be needed and how many hours the job should take. This can help you make an informed decision. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. John's moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.